Guys, when you get the agency version of Sitecontact, you will get an additional option called Manage Users, and inside Manage Users, you can actually create users for Sitecontact and assign them their own passwords and get them access to Sitecontact. So depending on which version of agency you buy, Elite or Pro, your users will have that level of access. So if you bought Sitecontact Agency Elite, all the users you create will have elite level access, which means they get five lists, 5 pages, and up to 70 broadcasts a month. But if you buy Sitecontact Agency version, your customers will get 120. You will get 120 customers at pro level, and they will have unlimited pages, unlimited broadcasts for you. You can manage users from this screen. If you want to delete any existing user, click on delete user. So if somebody is not paying you anymore, click on delete. If you want to change the password, click on reset password, and you can even suspend their account by clicking on cancelled. So this is a great way to build a recurring. You can sell Sitecontact to people, tell them I'm going to give you access to Sitecontact Pro, for example, which we are going to sell at $6-7 a year at least, and you can charge that or anything comparable to that, and they will be able to work with Sitecontact through you. You will be able to charge money for it, and you can build a recurring that way. You can charge them a yearly subscription, a monthly subscription, whatever you want, and get them access to Sitecontact just like our normal users. To add a fresh user, click on add user. You'll be able to fill in name, email, and give them a password, and then you can give this password to the customers themselves, and they'll be able to sign into Sitecontact and access it.